Sam Tulumoy. I'm studying business and technology, level 4 in NZSE. So trying to start my own business. So that's what really made me want to join this course, is to try to get another view of the business side. Mostly the computing skills and the financing stuff, using the softwares, very helpful for like setting up your business and all the profit side and stuff for it. Staff are helpful. It's like a nice environment around here. Everyone's nice and happy. COVID-19 affected my course. It was like pretty hard in the beginning. NZSE helped me a lot, going the right way now. I recommend NZSE to anyone because it's just the environment here and how it's easy to communicate with your teachers and that. The studying is good and you get the qualifications, you can use them anywhere. I always knew what I wanted to do, and then now when I made the decision to go study, and everything started to look good, like starting to fall into place. I think just give it a shot,